Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Muhammad Sajid from Al Mahmud International School, Akola. Dear students, in this video we will learn about lesson number 9, water and its uses. Till now we have completed lesson 8 in science. Now we are going to start this lesson number 9. Dear students, as we know that all living things need water to live. Rivers, ponds and sea have water. Now we will learn about sources of water, how water reaches our homes, how to store drinking water, how to save water. So dear students, all living things need water to live and grow. We can live without water, without food for some time, but cannot live without water. Water is need for every living thing. We use water in many ways. See, in this picture we can see different ways of using water. To wash clothes we use water, and to have a bath, to wash utensils, to grow plants, to drink, to cook food, to clean the floor, to build houses, to put out fires. So these are the uses of water. Water is very useful in our daily life. But one interesting thing, did you know? What's that? Seawater cannot be used to grow plants, wash clothes, build houses or drink. So we will learn about that, why we don't use seawater. So now we will learn about sources of water. What are the sources of water? From where do we get water? So first main source of water is rain, next rivers, and then lakes. After that whales are the main sources of water. Water from rivers flow into the sea. We cannot use seawater because it has plenty of salts. So did you know why we don't use seawater? Because it has plenty of salts. Dams are built on rivers to stop water from flowing into the sea. See, it is the picture of dam. It is built on rivers to stop water for flowing into the sea. So a dam stores water which is used for drinking and growing crops. We get water in our homes from dams and rivers. What are the sources of water at our home? So we get water from dams and rivers. At some places water is also drawn from wells. The water of wells is also used at some places. They drawn water from the wells. Mostly in villages people drawn water from wells, and these other sources are used mostly in cities, dams and rivers and borewells. So these are the sources of water. So thus we have learned about the uses of water and the sources of water. In next video, inshallah, we will learn about how does water reach the tap in our homes. So it is enough for today. So thank you. जज़ाकल्लाह। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।